while writing, be energetic, be energetic, about the tone, about the tone, grammar, spelling, etc. स्टूडेंट्स, एक अच्छा मैसेज, एक अच्छा आप जो भी कम्युनिकेशन प्राप्त कर रहे हो, यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल, यू हैव टू बी अटेंटिव। आपका टोन कैसा है, बोलने का जो टोन बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट होना चाहिए। योर मूड शुड बी in soft tone, or the use of grammar must be suggestive. The use of spelling, you check or you have to check thoroughly, because if there is a spelling mistake or a spelling error, your writing or your
वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है,
completely incomplete.
वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रहा और वीडियो भी क्लियर नहीं है। थोड़ा फोन के पास आके बोलिए सर, तो वॉइस क्लियर होगा।
Okay, can you listen to me?
या सर, इट्स ऑडिबल।
Yeah. So students, I was talking about while drafting or creating your paragraph, your message, your communication, you have to be careful regarding tone, grammar, spelling. Suppose you are mentioning any line or you are inserting any line, but that is in a very harsh tone. Certainly, it will give a very dull impression. It will give poor impression. So students, I would like to suggest you that be free from all these things. So next point I will students, in functional English, there are three important elements of basic writing skills. So, first phrase, phrases, clauses, and third is sentence. एक अच्छे राइटिंग स्किल को डेवलप करने के लिए, फॉर्म करने के लिए, बनाने के लिए, you have to take care of these things. First, phrases, second, clauses, and third, sentence. So at first I will discuss about phrases. That is the explanation. A group of words, a group of words which makes not sense but not student, that is explanation. शब्दों का वैसा समूह जो सेंस को बनाता है लेकिन कंप्लीट सेंस को डेवलप नहीं करता है, that is called phrase. Yes, some examples I would like to just place here for your understanding. So some examples, and the first example is at 5 o'clock. It means there are group of words in this statement or in the sentence, but it does not produce the complete thought, the complete idea, the complete notion. So that is properly known as a phrase. So second, in the morning. In the morning. Yes. Really, if you see sentence number 2, the proper sense, the proper sensibility is missing. So undoubtedly that is a brilliant example of a phrase. So there are many examples. Suppose you say at the door. At the door. Shaken in the box. In the box. Next, a few days back. A few days back. Yes, if you go through, and as you can see, all the sentences that missing the appropriate, suggestive, and complete thought. So undoubtedly they are phrases. Yes, example of phrases. Next, one thing I would like to tell you, remember, phrases cannot be used alone. इसको कभी भी आप सेपरेटली यूज नहीं कर सकते हो. अगर यूज करते हो तो दैट विल बी क्वाइट यूजलेस. क्या होगा? वो बेकार हो जाएगा. That will be quite useless and senseless. So phrases should not be used alone, but we can use them as a part of a sentence. लेकिन हम लोग phrase को use कर सकते हैं sentence के part में. And next, I would like to define clause after this. One example, suppose you write down through and through, through and through. This is phrase. It means Hindi meaning, sorry, English to English, very well. In Hindi, you can say अच्छी तरह, through and through. But you have to insert this phrase in the sentence. And just I am going to show. Suppose through and through here, the proper sense is not showing, not complete, not violent, you can say. But in the sentence, as you can write here, I help the poor through and through. Next, or you can write she knows me through and through. Through and through.
सर मोबाइल की तरफ से आके बोलिए ना थोड़ा, आपका आवाज क्लियर नहीं होता अगर थोड़ा दूर जाते हैं तो थोड़ा पास आके बोलिए प्लीज.
Yes. So, as you can see, both examples I have written there. First, I have the poor through and through. Okay, मैं अच्छी तरह गरीबों को मदद करता हूँ. And the next is she knows me through and through. वह मेरे बारे में अच्छी तरह जानती है. So, the next I will discuss about clouds. और थोड़ा सा नजदीक आ सकता है क्या, अगर आप पता है तो क्योंकि साउंड में ठीक है. ओके, okay, explanation. A cloud is a group of words that has a subject and predicate. Yes, एक वैसा शब्दों का समूह जिसके पास सब्जेक्ट भी और प्रेडिकेट भी होता है. Undoubtedly, that is cloud. So, one thing there I would like to add, a cloud can act sometimes as a sentence. The sentence, and this is dependent. इस नोट को आप ध्यान से देख सकते हैं. A clause can act as a sentence. कभी कभी यह क्लाउज सेंटेंस के रूप में भी एक्ट करता है, काम करता है, और इस तरह के क्लाउज को हम लोग इंडिपेंडेंट क्लाउज की जरूरत इंडिपेंडेंट क्लाउज के रूप में हम लोग जानते हैं. तो इसके आई वुड लाइक टू प्लेस सम एग्जांपल्स रिगार्डिंग दिस. Some examples I am going to present here. विलियम, कोई भी आप नाम दे सकते हो यहाँ. विलियम was the car even though he did not want to. One minute, that is. That was the example related to dependent. Yes, generally, directly you can write down William was the car. Yes. And the second one is, second example, I went to the store. So, in both sentences, no need to have any direct clause, and one thing I would like to tell you, main clause, that is also known as independent clause. So both are the same. Main clause is equal to independent clause is equal to main clause. I placed above two examples, and that is related to independent clause. Yes. here some examples related to some examples where I am going to give that is related to independent clause. So first, I went to the store but I vowed to bring my vowed no forgot to bring my shopping list. And second, the second is subordinate clause. Okay, 10 minutes. Okay. Subordinate clause. It means that is also known as dependent clause. So student, as you can see, subordinate clause or dependent, both are the same. So here you can say even.
सर 2 मिनट और बचा है क्लास में.
Okay. So you are saying
2 more minutes remaining.
okay. So students, in next class I will discuss about the types of sentence on the basis of a statement or on the basis of a structure. So both I will discuss in next class, or you can also go through about the type of sentence on the basis of a structure. Example: simple, compound, complex, and complex compound sentence, so that you will get better. And once again, I would like to suggest all of you that just convince your friends, your classmates to attend live classes in full place. So that's all here. I am going to stop my speech, and if you have any question or any doubts, now I welcome. अजय जी, देखिए तो कोई क्वेश्चन है?
किसी को कोई डाउट है? हेलो, नो डाउट सर।
ऑफ कर दिए। हाँ।
क्लास यहीं
रुकिए तो अभी टाइम बचा हुआ है। ओके। चलिए, इसको भी लगा।
क्लास यहीं पे